phpVMS tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to install phpVMS on your web server. So after the last video I showed you how to create a web hosting account through AAA Web Host, which is a free web hosting provider. I also highly recommend their paid counterpart, Hosting24. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is make sure that your domain is live. So let's go ahead and make sure our domain is live. As you can see, you have the index of, which means that you have a live domain, and your home directory is clean. So what we want to do is first pick up a copy of phpVMS. You can get that at phpVMS.net. Go ahead and just navigate to the downloads page and download the full version. I already have that, so that's not going to be necessary. What we want to do now is log into our FTP. I use a client, FileZilla, to log into our FTP server. So what we need, the host name is going to be the IP address. So we'll go and copy our IP address. Username, which is also right here. Oops. And our hosting account password. And we'll click Quick Connect. Now we are in our FTP here. What we want to do is navigate to public HTML. And if your public HTML folder has an htaccess in it, that is okay. Now we want to open up phpVMS, and we're going to select all these and drag them directly in. Now phpVMS is going to upload to the web server. I'll be back with you in just a moment. Alright, now you have phpVMS uploaded to your server. You can double check because it's going to reply directory listing successful. And at some point I'll disconnect you from the server as well. So we can go ahead and close FileZilla for a moment and get back here. Now what we want to do is create a database for your installation to connect to. So we want to go down and find something like MySQL. And what we're going to do is create a database name. So let's name this phpVMS. We're going to create a username. Let's also do phpVMS. For password, we can do demo11, and we'll do demo11 again. And we just created our SQL database. Now leave this screen open because you're going to need this in a minute. What we're going to do is proceed to our domain. And here you have your error encountered. PHP has not been installed yet, and we'll go here to install it. Now, what you want to do, double check your website URL and make sure that that matches your domain name. Now for database name, you want to go back to that other screen and find your database. You want to copy and paste what's in the parentheses. Now for server, it says host right here. You want to copy that host name and replace localhost. For user, you want to take the username and you want to take your password. And you can click Next Step. And it should say installing the tables, and all in green, scroll down and click Continue to the next step. Now go ahead and put in your credentials. First name, we'll do demo. Last name, user. Email address, let's just do dummy@dummy.com. For password, we'll do demo11. For virtual airline, we'll do demo airline. We'll do DMA. And click finish. Now you can proceed to your front page. And there you have it, a clean installation of phpVMS. Let's just double check that everything works. We're going to sign in with our pilot ID, DMA0001, and password demo11. Log in, and it takes you to your pilot center. You now know that you installed phpVMS correctly.